Masquerade saying Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zoom Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kari kutanga kukuya paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchingo gara subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Masquerade Zimbabwe takwigirai nyaya yanetsa mu streets social media, nyaya ye mistake yaitwa the Ministry of Defense apo payaisenda the message on President Emerson Mnangagwa. So Zimbabweans across the nation vabuda vachitaura pamusoro pedis message muri Zimbabwe iyo yangikapedzwa ichinzi may his soul rest in peace. In a statement ranga rakaburitswa panewspaper, the message yakatanga zvakanaka ichiwisha President Emerson Mnangagwa a happy birthday. Asi payakazopera pane mistake yomukonerapo ingakanzi may his soul rest in eternal peace. The permanent secretary in the Ministry of Information, Publicity and Broadcasting Services, Vanik Mangwana, kabuda vachikweshana masources emessage iyoyi muri Zimbabwe vachitaura ivo vachiti haina kubva from the Ministry of Defense, but it seems as if ibepa renewspaper ranga rakanyorwa izvozvi muri Zimbabwe. Vakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti there's need for an apology kuti ishuwiwe. Vakabuda vachitaura nafadzemaire uyo akaposta this picture achiti the president should come and address this issue. Former Foreign Affairs Minister vauta Mzambi vakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti mistakes akaita sei aya anoitika hanzi but they are costly muri Zimbabwe. Vakabuda vachiti it is very important kuti every detail rionekwe before rapublishwa the government muri Zimbabwe. Nyaya yaburitswa ZW News vachitaura ivo vachiti Zimbabweans across the political divide has been drawn into a debate after a message purportedly from the Minister of Defense aimed at President Emerson Mnangagwa was signed out with may his soul rest in peace statement. The message began well, wishing President Mnangagwa a happy 82nd birthday. Apparently, it is the ending which has gotten the Zimbabweans talking, with some questioning the type of mistake. Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Information, Publicity and Broadcasting Services, Nick Mangwana, questioned the source of the message, attaching what he said was the message from the Ministry of Defense. He called for an apology from those who would have been involved in sharing the message. An apology at this point would have gone a long way, he said, supposedly referring to Advocate Fadzai Maere, who posted on Twitter inviting Mangwana to clarify the matter. Former Foreign Affairs Minister Walter Mzembe says such mistakes, though do happen, they are very rare and costly. Mzembe says attention to detail is very important in all government correspondence. He writes, at some stage, an Air Zimbabwe menu was handed to President Mnangagwa with an expensive blunder of this nature. It read Chimukuyu Nedodi instead of Chimukuyu Nedori. This RIP is clearly another of those expensive mistakes which beats an entire system in proofreading. While the Mugabe one was a nasty joke, this Mnangagwa one spells doom. Attention to detail is super critical across government. We are not only losing the messaging, but millions and millions of dollars in purchases that do not check detail. Computer servers being bought by Parliament for 150,000 each, where they cost 4,500 or less, and most recently, where the country lost 100 million in the Zagat scandal, still unresolved on this day. Donya yaburitswa Walter Mzambi saw this message yanga yapiwa President Emerson Mnangagwa yanga yakanyorwa iyo yakanzi the Minister of Defense Honorable OCZ Muchinguri Kashiri, the Deputy Minister of Defense Honorable Brigadier General retired Levi Maihlome, Secretary for Defense Comrade ADT Nepera, Commander Defense Forces General PV Sibanda, Service Chief General and Air Officers, Chief Director, Directors, Senior Officers, men and women of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, management and staff of the Ministry of Defense and their families congratulate His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe and Commander-in-Chief of Zimbabwe Defense Forces, Comrade Dr. Emmerson Mnangagwa, and the entire First family on the occasion of his 82nd birthday. The Ministry of Defense cherishes and values the wise and visionary leadership that His Excellency, the President, continues to provide to the Ministry in general and the Zimbabwe Defense Forces in particular, in the execution of the mandate of defending the sovereignty, territorial integrity, and national interests of the Republic of Zimbabwe. May the Almighty God bless Your Excellency abundantly with good health, strength, and wisdom for many more years as you continue to guide the nation towards an upper middle income economy by the year 2030. May His soul rest in eternal peace. The Defense Forces creating a conducive environment for attainment of Vision 2030. Those are Buddha Snoro. Mu statement hiyo za kwanza bongo zozo kupedzwa kwa ilo this statement wana Zimbabwe tingazote mwana sinya ituze zamukufunga pamsoro penya hii mu comment section. Kutsara kwa tiri kuita hazvinoomera mushe mubatorezano PF pana succession battles aripo uyezve during the weekend apo president pavaicelebrate his birthday his chopper yakakrasha muri Zimbabwe. Zvakabuda zvichitaurwa ne the Secret Service vachitaura ivo vachiti this issue ichasvitswa nayo kwekupedzesera zvinhu the CAAZ pamwe chete nemaCIO they are doing my investigations on zvakakonzeresa this crash, so zvabva zvaconsider this message, and God's may His soul rest in peace. Was it targeting President Emmerson Mnangagwa? Vamwe we're saying this crash target Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Others are saying the chopper down to President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Zvakonzesa kuti paitwa my investigations because the serious issue, the life of the president is in danger. Tingaziya kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi tiudzei zvamuri kufunga mu comment section.
Thank you, yes. The report is about a helicopter accident on Sunday which occurred after a successful groundbreaking ceremony for residential stands and the Munumtapa Day celebrations, which was attended by His Excellency the President, Dr. Mnangagwa, as the guest of honor. The President, Dr. Mnangagwa, was accompanied by Her Excellency the First Lady, Dr. Mnangagwa, the Honorable Vice President, Comrade KC Mohadi, the ZANU-PF National Chairman and Minister of Defense, Comrade OCZ Mchimburi Kashiri, as well as other senior government and party officials. The helicopter was supposed to fly the President, Dr. Mnangagwa, but experienced a technical fault and crash landed. The President, Dr. Mnangagwa, was not on board. The helicopter had crew members only on board, and there were no fatalities. The Civil Aviation Authority of Zimbabwe is carrying out investigations, and a statement will be issued at the appropriate time.